Prime Minister Modi called upon his compatriots to unite and dedicate themselves to India's progress. He said that unity will help realize the dream of a developed India. Speaking at the National Unity Day celebrations on Wednesday, the Prime Minister said that over the past 11 years, his government has dealt a decisive blow to left-wing extremism. The event marking the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was held at Ekta Nagar in Gujarat.
A grateful nation paid tribute to the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, on his 150th birth anniversary. The man who made possible the seemingly impossible task of uniting more than 550 princely states. The Statue of Unity, standing tall, is not just a monument, but a symbol of national integration and unity.
मैं राष्ट्र की एकता, अखंडता और सुरक्षा को बनाए रखने के लिए स्वयं को समर्पित करूंगा।
The National Unity Day celebrations featured a grand cultural showcase and a parade by police and paramilitary forces. Prime Minister Narendra Modi emphasized that political differences are natural in a democracy, but there should be no division of hearts. He denounced what he termed as political untouchability.
जब हम लोकतंत्र में राष्ट्रीय एकता की बात करते हैं, तो इसका एक स्वरूप ये भी है कि हम विचारों की विविधता का सम्मान करें। लोकतंत्र में मतभेद स्वीकार्य है, मनभेद नहीं होना चाहिए। लेकिन विडंबना देखिए, आजादी के बाद जिन लोगों को देश ने दायित्व सौंपा, उन्हीं लोगों ने वी द पीपल की स्पिरिट की हत्या करने का प्रयास किया।
Artists performing along the parade route brought alive the spirit of Ek Bharat, Shreshtha Bharat. Taking a strong swipe at the Congress party, Prime Minister said Sardar Patel wanted to fully integrate Kashmir, but his vision was not fulfilled due to the decisions taken by Pandit Nehru. Prime Minister also asserted that since 2014, the government has mounted a decisive and powerful offensive against Naxalism and Maoism and vowed that India will continue its determined fight against infiltration and divisive forces.
देश के भीतर दशकों से विदेशी घुसपैठिए आते रहे, देश की एकता दांव पर लगाते रहे, लेकिन पुरानी सरकारें इतनी बड़ी समस्या पर आंख मूंदे रही। वोट बैंक की राजनीति के लिए राष्ट्र की सुरक्षा को जानबूझकर खतरे में डाला गया।
Among the key highlights of this year's parade was the PSF marching contingent, featuring Indian-bred dogs such as the Rampur and Mudhol hounds. The parade also honored 5 Shaurya Chakra awardees from the CRPF and 16 gallantry medal recipients from the PSF who displayed exceptional courage in anti-Naxal operations in Jharkhand and counter-terrorism missions in Jammu and Kashmir.
सेना की ओर से आप सभी को राष्ट्रीय एकता दिवस की बहुत-बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
The Indian Air Force added grandeur to the occasion with a spectacular fly-past under Operation Surya Kiran. Bureau Report, DD India.